to my balcony garden, where I share another amazing episode about my plants. Well guys, here's a piece of that plant I'm propagating that my daughter bought me out of that little vase with several different succulents. Welcome back to another episode about my garden updates, and what I want to share with you is, look at this plant. Now I know I asked you guys, did you know the name of it and all, but check it out. It looked like it has progress in somewhat, like, look how red, bright red the tips of the plant has become since I propagated it. I think it's going to be okay. What do you guys think? Just look how beautifully bright red those tips are. I really love this plant. It is beautiful. Compared to what it looked like when I first propagated it, yes, I believe it has grown, because with the two pictures, as you can see, look, the first picture, now look at the second picture. It's propagated because the tips are really bright red. It grew. Loving it.